Hello, this is Lucas with MarineMax at Lake of the Ozarks. This beautiful boat here in front of us is a 2024 Super Air Nautique G23. This boat comes standard with the NSS, stern thrusters, and the NCRS. This boat's going to come fully loaded with the JL sound system, massive amounts of storage, has the stern volume control. This boat here holds 16 people comfortably. The helm is a fully touchscreen screen, can also be controlled. Massive front for all your friends and family. Walking back to the back is a movable rear-facing seat. Come give us a call today and come look at the 2024 Super Air Nautique G23.